Are you personable?
Hi. That's me being personable.
Hi. They scream. What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Ooh, it is bright out here. Man, today we got something a little better than normal. It's not working on a clapped out 95 BMW. It is working on this. This is my brother's, bingo, 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo. Manual awesomeness. And he's probably driven it a total of about 5 times, maybe 20 miles.
In a year and a half.
I've been giving him so much crap about it, but due to that, the battery is toast. There is it's not the original battery, and you can tell because I'm pretty sure they didn't come with interstate batteries, but it is dead. He's had it on a charger, but a charger can only do so much when it's just never, ever driven. So, we got, oh, typical, my brother. He ordered his Lamborghini Gallardo battery on Amazon.
Wait, is that not cool?
Actually, you know what? He probably used points and it was probably free, so you know, more power to him. But I'm going to change this for him today, even though he could probably do it, but it's just more fun when it's a guy thing, you know? So if you watch my video of changing the battery in my old R8, I had to remove all of this plastic paneling around, but Lamborghini makes it way easier because apparently all you have to do is remove this weather stripping, and then there are 4 Allen keys right here, right there. And apparently all you do is remove the weather stripping, remove those Allen bolts, and then you can just pull the trunk, the front trunk out, and you can have access to the battery itself. And that is much easier than the R8 is. So I don't know why Audi didn't implement this, since this was made before the R8. They should have done it, but they didn't. So apparently on the forums, they say this should take about 10 minutes, so we're gonna put that to the test. So, enough talking. Let me try and change this thing, and then we can at least get a cold start out of this, and maybe I can talk Kimosabi over there messing with the go-karts, which, by the way, those go-karts, what are they called?
9-bot.
They're electric go-karts that are made from like Segways, called 9-bots. I think you ordered those on Amazon too, but these little things are fast. So after we change this, maybe we can get a ride on those. Let me set this up. Where's the Allen wrenches, brah?
Oh, let me get those.
Oh, a variety.
Well, you said Allen wrenches. I
Thanks,
don't know
bro.
which wrench it is. Give it a little close up view.
Getting them angles?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so should it just
Oh wow, it did.
pull
Looky
out?
there.
That's pretty cool. Nice workbench though. Solid.
You like that? Yeah. Comes straight from Mopar.
Mopar is Lamborghini. All right, now
Oh, there we go.
You already saved it?
look at
Look
this.
at that.
That's pretty cool though, right?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Do you have a microfiber? I can dust this off.
I have some that you gave me.
Yeah, let me see them. Let me grab them. Where are they? All right, so
That's cool.
you're probably gonna have some codes.
Some error codes that are getting tossed.
Yeah, exactly. So 2 options here.
Okay.
Perfect.
Always.
All right, this is the part that's fun. Yeah.
Well, looks like
In with it. The Odyssey red top.
Oof.
Ooh, wow. Okay.
What?
It's just heavy.
Oh yeah.
0.25 miles per hour.
Oh, it's like a glove.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Primo. 5 million cold cranking amps.
Solid.
Gonna power a whole city.
Look at her.
That is so messed up.
That was really
The
fun.
camera didn't even flinch.
I know. This guy, non-caring brother over here, goes, "You stupid." Oh, the door light came on. That's a good sign. I definitely think the Lamborghini V10 with the tubey exhaust that he has on this is one of the best sounding cars there is. It's so sick. Right, yeah. Wow, this is so much nicer than my car.
Why?
Well, not obviously it's nicer than the BMW, but I mean the
Audi?
yeah, the R8, dude. It was taking all of these off.
For the fucking battery?
Dude, it was so bad. It was so annoying.
This is the tools that we needed to use.
These two little guys.
Don't be intimidated, people.
You can do this too. No, for real though, that was.
Excuse me, you didn't put this back? Hello? Can you finish the job?
Yeah.
No people these days.
What do you pay me for? Am I right?
Okay, now we're, okay, here you go.
Can you tell who's the big brother and who's the little brother? Jeez. That was literally one of the easiest battery changes I've ever done. So if you have a Lamborghini Gallardo, I don't know about other years, this is a 04. It's literally 4 Allen bolts in the frunk and then remove the weather stripping, pull it out, disconnect the light, and then it's super easy. Battery hold down, and then the terminal connections, switch it out, and you're good to go. So, random video, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, it would mean a lot. I'm not always gonna have cars like, maybe I can talk him into shipping this to Austin, or just driving it to Austin. Yeah, I'll probably be able to take him on my track in my BMW.
What the did you just say?
Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.